As a naturalist, I hardly use expression on my hair because I want a healthy and fuller hair. So it have been a while that I add expression on my hair. I always go for my natural hair, everything, both twisting, weaving, anything. So the day before yesterday, I went to market. I said I was like, let me try expression since it have been a while that I use expression on my hair. Only for me to hear that expensive price. I was like, it don't reach like this. So I decided that I will continue with this my simple style. Oh. I cannot kill myself for price. I don't have enough. I don't have that much to spend for only expression. So let me continue with this my simple style. Hi guys, welcome back to my space. Follow me to my simple style hair as usual. If you have any style that you want me to do, please don't forget to drop it in the comment section. I might do it for you. I might try that style for you in my next video. Thank you for showing me love in this space. So guys, attachment is very expensive now. That is, if you want to buy enough attachments to your hair, you have to carry like 50k for this leg or so. Oh, let me just manage my vision. Yes. I'm not going to fix myself. Why are you laughing? Stop making noise. You're laughing at me. No, I'll flog you now. So guys, how is it? Hope I tried because it's not easy.